Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you what to do if your screen freezes or your touchscreen is not working properly on the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. There is a simple button combination you can do that will basically trigger what's called a soft reset. And this will shut the phone down, turn it back on, and this usually will fix any minor issues you have with the software that could be causing the phone to freeze. Let me show you how to do this. We're going to hold down on the power and volume down button for 1 second, or excuse me, until the screen goes dim or goes dark, just like this. Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold together, and it takes about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see this pop up come on the screen. Continue to hold the buttons until it goes dark, just like that. That was about 5 seconds. The phone will shut down and then it will immediately kick back on. And if you don't see the Samsung logo pop right up after you turn it off, no problem. Simply hold the power button and this will basically turn the phone back on. And give it a couple of seconds and this usually will clear whatever software glitch was causing the screen to not work properly. As you can see, now our screen is working just fine and we're right back in. Now, here's what this will not fix. If you have physical damage on the exterior screen, if it's cracked, if it's damaged, unfortunately, this will not fix that problem. At that point, you will need to take your phone to a local cell phone repair shop and have them diagnose the screen to see if potentially your screen is so damaged that it needs to be replaced. You can also go to Samsung.com and go to their web support, and they can refer you to a certified service and repair shop in your area. So check out their website for that. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.